If you're thinking about finally fixing those cracks in your driveway or patio, here's what most people learn the hard way. The secret to a lasting repair isn't finding the best product, it's finding the right product for your specific situation. Different cracks need different chemistry, and today I'm breaking down 7 excellent concrete crack fillers so you can match the perfect solution to your project. All product links are in the description, so let's dive in. Let's start with Loveboat Concrete Crack Filler, a versatile liquid rubber solution you can brush, roll, or pour directly onto cracks. What I love about this one is the simplicity. No caulking gun, no mixing, just open and apply. It cures to form a waterproof membrane and works beautifully on multiple surfaces, including wood, metal, and ceramic. The transparent finish is a real standout feature when you're working on decorative tiles or any surface where you want the repair to stay invisible. This product truly shines in moderate climates and is perfect for sealing hairline cracks on decorative surfaces, vertical masonry, or multi-material projects where that clear finish makes all the difference. If you've got a tile patio or decorative stonework that needs subtle waterproofing, Loveboat is an excellent choice. Now, Sycoflex self-leveling sealant is a professional-grade powerhouse. And honestly, this is my go-to for driveways that face harsh winters. This polyurethane meets federal specifications, and here's the number that matters. 450% elongation. That means it can stretch to over 4 times its original width without tearing. Picture this. It's January, your concrete is contracting in the cold, and that crack you sealed last summer is trying to pull apart. While other fillers would struggle, Sycoflex just stretches with it like a rubber band, keeping water out all winter long. It's also impervious to oil, gas, and road salt once cured, which makes it ideal for where you park your car. The self-leveling formula flows into cracks like warm honey, so you don't need to tool it smooth. Just keep in mind it needs 3 to 5 days to fully cure, so plan your project timing accordingly, and for deep cracks you'll want a foam backer rod to give it a solid base. Once this stuff cures, you can forget about that crack for years. For flat driveways in any climate, especially regions with freeze-thaw cycles, this is the gold standard. Compared to Sycoflex, DAP Concrete Crack Filler takes a completely different approach built around speed. This acrylic latex formula is ready for foot traffic in about 30 minutes, which is incredible when you think about it. If you've got guests coming over and just noticed spiderweb cracks across your walkway, DAP is your hero. The shake and pour bottle means no special tools, and water cleanup makes it wonderfully user-friendly. It dries to a standard gray that blends nicely with most concrete. For best results on deeper cracks, a second coat after the first one settles ensures a perfectly level finish. Think of DAP as the quick response specialist, perfect for cosmetic touch-ups, fine crack networks, and situations where you need your surface looking great fast. Magic Crack Filler brings something genuinely innovative to the table, and the technology here is pretty clever. Instead of a liquid, this is a dry granular material you pour into cracks and then activate with a light mist of water. The polymer binder fuses the particles together while adhering to the concrete walls. What makes this special is the invisible finish. Regular sealants leave a shiny or matte stripe that announces the repair to everyone who walks by. Magic Crack Filler has a sandy, textured appearance that mimics the surrounding concrete surface perfectly. Imagine you've got a beautiful stamped concrete patio around your pool, the kind you spent good money on to look amazing. The last thing you want is dark stripes running through your decorative pattern. This product disappears into the surface like it was never there. The technique is simple, light misting in passes rather than flooding, and you're done. Another bonus is that unused product stores indefinitely since it's dry, so you can keep it in the garage for future touch-ups. For pool decks, patios, stamped concrete, and any decorative surface where appearance is everything, Magic Crack Filler is absolutely unmatched. Red Devil Pre-Mixed Concrete Patch solves a problem the other products simply can't handle. Gravity. Everything we've discussed so far flows or levels, which is fantastic for horizontal surfaces, but doesn't help when you're fixing a vertical crack or rebuilding a chipped stair. Red Devil is a thick paste that stays exactly where you put it. You can sculpt it, shape it, and literally reconstruct broken corners. Let's say a chunk of your front step broke off last winter, that corner where everyone catches their heel and you worry someone might trip. You can use Red Devil to rebuild the missing piece, shaping it with a putty knife to match the original profile. Come back the next day and it's cured to a hard, stone-like finish you can sand or even paint to match. The consistency also makes it excellent for surface spalling, those spots where the top layer has popped off exposing rough aggregate underneath. You trowel it smooth, feather the edges, and the blemish vanishes like it never happened. For steps, foundation walls, overhead repairs, and any masonry work on vertical surfaces, Red Devil is the specialist you need. Rust-Oleum Concrete Patch and Repair is the heavy-duty champion of this lineup. This two-part epoxy system mixes a resin and hardener together, triggering a chemical reaction that cures to 3 times the compressive strength of standard concrete. If you have a garage floor with deep holes, anchor bolt damage, or impact craters from dropped tools, this is your industrial strength solution. Unlike products that shrink as they dry, epoxy is 100% solids, meaning zero shrinkage. Pour it, and what you see is what you get. Picture your garage with that annoying hole where a heavy vise used to be bolted down. You mix the epoxy, fill the void, and 12 hours later you can park on it. Roll a hydraulic jack over it, whatever you need. Just prep your work area before mixing since the epoxy starts setting in about 40 minutes. For structural repairs, garage floors, and anywhere you need bulletproof strength that outlasts the concrete itself, Rust-Oleum is in a league of its own. Rounding out our list is Autosell Concrete Crack Sealant, a rubberized formula that self-levels and provides excellent waterproofing at a budget-friendly price point. The multi-pack option is particularly smart when you've got extensive cracking to address across a large driveway or multiple areas. It offers good elasticity for handling seasonal movement, and the self-leveling property means easy application without any tooling or smoothing needed. This product is especially well suited for asphalt driveways where the darker color blends seamlessly, but it also works great on concrete surfaces. Just be sure to select the gray option if you're working on traditional concrete to get the best color match. For homeowners tackling larger projects who want solid performance and great value, Autosell delivers reliably. So let's bring this all together and help you pick. For driveways facing harsh winters where you need maximum flexibility, Sycoflex with its 450% stretch is the champion. For quick cosmetic fixes that dry in half an hour, DAP is your time saver. When aesthetics matter most on stamped patios or pool decks, Magic Crack Filler delivers that invisible repair. For versatile waterproofing on decorative surfaces and multi-material projects, Loveboat's transparent finish works beautifully. Dealing with stairs, walls, or vertical repairs, Red Devil is the only paste that defies gravity. For garage floors and structural repairs needing maximum strength, Rust-Oleum epoxy is unbeatable. And for larger projects where value matters, Autosell gives you professional results at a smart price. Every one of these products excels at something specific, so match the chemistry to your crack type and you'll get a repair that lasts. All the product links are in the description. If this helped you figure out which filler to grab, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Good luck with your project.